Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to create a YouTube channel. First of all, you will log into your Gmail account, then click youtube.com. So I am here YouTube, then click on there. I have one account here. I want to create another channel. Click on view all channel. Then click on create a channel. I want to create a channel and I name this channel demo. Check this box, create. So it done. Channel is created. You can check it there. Demo. The channel is created. We can easily customize this channel. It is the creator studio of this demo channel. So we can easily create YouTube channel. Here we upload videos, each and everything. If liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check the resources link in the description below. See you in the next video.